Holy cow, man. Took me a long time to get this thing ready, and I'm almost done. So really cool thing. I made a beta access, so it's free. If you guys want to learn how to build websites and all that, this is going to be free until 3/1. So you guys can come on here. You don't have to put a card in or anything like that. You just come in. I'm gonna put a link at the bottom. It's gonna be secretwebcourse.com/secret link, and you could come in here, learn how to do it for free. I'm just doing it for beta access. So if you guys want to come in here and do it for free, you can do that. Once March 1st hits, then it's going to be $10 if you want to keep it. If you really like it, whatever, you can buy it for $10. But before the 15th, you can only buy it for $10. After the 15th, it's going to be $95. And the whole reason behind that is because, you guys are going to be the people who are going to be pressing the requests and feedback button. So you guys, if you see something here that just doesn't make sense or anything like that, you just be like, that doesn't make any sense. Click that button, put in the feedback details, put a screenshot in if you need to, and it sends right to my email, and I'll be able to fix all that stuff up or even write you back if I need to. But I'm super excited. This is really awesome. I'm finally dropping it. Basically, the course goes from, all the way from number 1 here, all the way down to right here to number 4. And while you guys are looking at all this content and figuring it out, I'm going to be working on number 5 here as well. So before this thing is ready to go in 18 days, then number 5 is going to be set up. Yep, so secret link will bring you right here. You'll be able to make your account. It knows that I already have a login, so it's just telling me to log in. But you make your account right here. Click the button, get on in here. It's the limited time beta. My eyes are really red. Been working on this for hours and hours on end. So don't make fun of me. But I'm really happy about this. So sign up. It's free right now. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if I'm missing anything, then please let me know, because that's what the entire beta purpose is for, so that I can get some feedback and I can say, hey, okay, this doesn't make a lot of sense. Let me re-clarify or make another video or do something like that. So thanks guys for being my beta testers.